Aryan, is it okay? It's audible? Yes. Yeah. Unmute yourself. And one by one, we are coming with Aryan. Are you there? Am I audible? Nikit? Akil Ram, is it okay, beta? Sarbani, okay? Listening? Am I audible? Yeah. So, first, we'll go through the revision what we have did in our last class, right? Right? Surds. If the number, write down everyone, if the number are such that it's written in the form of a to the power 1 by n, a to the power 1 by n. Just power we are giving 1 by n, and this is a to the power 1 by n, where a is a positive quantity or the rational number or the negative quantity. Rational means positive, negative, दोनों के लिए. And n must be positive. N must be positive, right? So this number is known as surds. Like the numbers 5 to the power 1 by 4, 3 to the power 1 by 7, 10 to the power 1 by 2, any numbers, when we are not able to solve that number and is in the power a to the power 1 by n, is known as surds.
सर रिटर्न बोलो ना डेफिनेशन स्टार्टिंग से थोड़ा रुक छूट गया.
एक मिनट फिर बोलता हूँ. ये सैमसंग A6 प्लस, दिस सैमसंग A6 प्लस surds. Any number we can write in the form of a to the power 1 by n. A to the power 1 by n, where a is a rational number, a is a rational number, and n is positive integer. N is positive integer. So this number a to the power 1 by n is known as surds. Is known as surds. Like the numbers. कुछ example आप लोगों की तरफ से मिले please. Few examples like 2 to the power 1 by 3, 5 to the power 1 by 4. Devashish. Yes, Vita. Example from your side. You can unmute yourself and you can say
6 to the power 1 by 8.
Very good. 6 to the power 1 by 8. Any other example? Is 8 to the power 1 by 3 is surds or not? 8 to the power 1 by 3 is surds or not?
Yes, sir. Surds.
ध्यान से सोचो. 8 is a number that we can write 2 cube. 8 is a number we can write 2 cube, and 2 cube to the power 1 by 3. So 3 cancel, the number is only 2 itself. So 8 to the power 1 by 3 is not a surd, right? 16 to the power 1 by 4 is a surd or not?
Not.
But very good, beta. Again, answer is coming as 2, right? Root pi is a surd or not? Root pi, under root of pi is a surd or not?
Surds, sir.
ध्यान दो बेटा, इस बार अंदर जो नंबर है a to the power 1 by n होना था, and what is the value of a? a के लिए आपने क्या लिखा हुआ है? a must be rational number. Root pi is a to the power 1 by 2 के फॉर्म में है, but a is pi, and pi is rational or irrational? What is the value of pi? Pi की वैल्यू अप्रोक्सीमेटली क्या होती है? कुछ आइडिया? What is the value of pi? Anyone?
3.14.
3.14, very good. और कोई?
22/7.
22/7, right? ये दोनों जो वैल्यूज हैं पाई की, ये दोनों अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू है. ये दोनों पाई की वैल्यूज नहीं होते हैं. ये दोनों अप्रोक्सीमेटली वैल्यूज बोलने के लिए हम लोग बोल देते हैं पाई इज एन इर्रेशनल नंबर. और इर्रेशनल नंबर एंड कहीं नहीं होता, वो चलता जाता है. रैशनल नंबर p by q के फॉर्म में होते हैं. 22/7, 3.14 लिख के आप छोड़ सकते हो, लेकिन इर्रेशनल नंबर एंडिंग नहीं होगी. 3.141257 डॉट 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 डॉट, वो चलता रहेगा इनफिनाइट टाइम. सो दोज नंबर we can write in the form of p by q are rational number. याद करो, हम लोगों ने पहले भी देखा था ये, राइट? तो pi is an irrational number, और irrational number का पावर आपने लिया 1/2. irrational number का पावर अगर मैं ले रहा हूँ 1/2, तो 100% we are not getting the value. This is not surds. Is it okay, everyone? Okay, everyone? Right?
सर एक बार रिटर्न बोलो ना.
See. By definition, we know that the numbers is in the form of a to the power 1 by n, where a belongs to rational number and n is a positive integers, right? ये दो चीजें मेरे पास है, तो we are saying by definition क्या होना चाहिए? So this must be 2 to the power 1 by 3. You have given the example 10 to the power 1 by 5, 8 to the power 1 by 6. ये सब मेरे numbers हैं जो 100% surds होंगे. But if I am writing 8 to the power 1 by 3, so this number is 2. 16 to the power 1 by 4, this number is 2. 25 to the power 1 by 2, this number is 5. So these are not surds. And उसमें एक नंबर मैंने लास्ट में बोला अंडर रूट ऑफ पाई, ये भी सर्ड्स नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? क्योंकि ये पाई है और ये ए जो होना चाहिए था वो रैशनल होना चाहिए था. पाई इरैशनल नंबर. पाई इज एन इरैशनल नंबर. ओके एवरीवन, राइट डाउन. यस.
Yes, sir.
Now, so by definition now we know that what is surds, right? अब इसमें बहुत different terminology होते हैं that we have to read. That terminology, what are these rational numbers, right? And irrational number के under roots जब हमें लेने हैं या power हमें देने हैं तो क्या होना चाहिए, right? So this form like what we said, like a to the power 1 by n, right? A to the power 1 by n, where a must be rational number, n is positive integer. This n is known as order, right? It is like 2 to the power 1 by 3 is read as the order is 3, right? जो सर्ड्स की ऑर्डर है दैट्स कॉल्ड 3, क्योंकि ये नंबर जो मेरे पास है पावर में, दिस इज 3, so order is 3. 5 to the power 1 by 7, what is the order of order in this case? सर्ड्स का ऑर्डर क्या है?
7.
7. Very good. ना order is 7, right? So this is definition of surds. Everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, so we are coming with the varieties of, like, what are the types of surds, right? Types of surds. First is known as quadratic. याद है quadratic? पहले भी ये टर्म पढ़ा हुआ है आप लोगों का. What is the meaning of quadratic?
Power should be 2.
Power 2 means the order is 2. So a surds of order 2, surds of order 2 is called quadratic surds, right? Second, cubic. Example for first will be root 7, root 13, root 19, and so on, right? Cubic. Help me, what is the meaning of this cubic surds? Very good. Power is 1 by cubic, means power 3. So power or the surds of order 3 is called cubic surds. Note down, please. Cubic surds. Next, biquadratic. Biquadratic, right? Biquadratic surds. Yes. What is the power now? Power biquadratic, मतलब 2 times of quadratic means power 1 by 4. Order 4 means 5 to the power 1 by 4, 7 to the power 1 by 4, 87 to the power 1 by 4, anything in that form, 7 by 2 to the power 1 by 4, these are the forms, right? This is called biquadratic surds, right? Next is known as pure surds. Pure surds. Only surds are present, not the mixed number or the integers are there. Only surds are present means 3 to the power 1 by 7, 2 to the power 3. This is again the form 2 to the power 1 by 3, right? 7, 4 means 7 to the power 1 by 4. This is called pure surds. लेकिन यहाँ पर ही एक और टर्मोलॉजी आती है, मिक्स्ड सर्ड्स. मिक्स्ड सर्ड में नंबर इंटीजर भी मल्टीप्लाई होता है सर्ड्स के साथ. अगर दोनों चीजें एक साथ में मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, 7 अंडर रूट ऑफ 6, 5 अंडर रूट ऑफ 21 एंड सो ऑन, राइट? So one is integer, other is surds. So this is known as mixed surds. These are the terminology. Note it down, everyone. Done. Do it fast, do it fast. Done. Okay, next. See, compound surds. Compound surds. Right? Compound surds. What is the meaning of this? An expression consists of sum or difference of two or more than two simple surds, or difference or sum with rational and surd is known as compound surds. मैं यहाँ लिख के बताता हूँ, clear होगा. Like √2 is a surd, 3 to the power 1 by 5 is a surd. ये दोनों को मैंने add कर दिया. This is known as compound surds, right? 3 to the power 1 by 5, 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 5. ये rational number भी होने के बाद भी दो या दो से ऊपर के numbers को भी मैंने add कर दिया. This is again known as compound surds, right? 5 to the power 1 by 2 minus 2 to the power 1 by 6 plus 7. Plus करूं या minus करूं? This is again compound surds.
Sir, definition फिर से बोलो ना.
An expression, write down. An expression consists of the sum or difference of two or more simple surds. Two or more simple surds, or the sum of or the difference of a rational and a surds is called compound surds. Right? Okay. Compound surds. One more definition for this is binomial surds. Meaning of binomial surds is only two terms are there, √2, 5. Only two surds are there. This is known as binomial surds. In the compound surds, consisting of only two terms, लिख लो definition. The compound surds consisting only two terms are called binomial surds.
सर कंपाउंड सर्ड्स में भी टू ही रहते, पार्ट्स टू ही रहते।
देखो ना बेटा, कंपाउंड में ऊपर देखो कितने टर्म्स हैं, 1 2 3 भी हैं, 4 भी, 5 भी, कितने भी हो सकते हैं कंपाउंड में। बट बाइनोमियल में केवल बाई मीन्स 2, बाई का मतलब होता है 2। तो बाइनोमियल में 2 ही टर्म होंगे, राइट। एंड इसी में एक और टर्मिनोलॉजी ठीक याद दिलाई आपने, ट्राइनोमियल। ट्राई मीन्स, what is the meaning of try? 3. So 3 terms are there. So like root 5 plus root 7 minus root 3, 2 plus root 2 minus root 5, or power 1 by 3. Anything you are writing in that form, this is called trinomial. Means 3 terms. 3 terms are there, right? Trinomials. Right? Trinomials. Next term we use as polynomial. Surds. Polynomial. A compound surds consisting of more than two terms are said to be polynomial surds. Polynomial surds, like 2 root 3 plus 5 root 7 minus 6 root 2 plus 5. Anything in this form, right? These are known as surds में. Right? Few facts, right? मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन भी दे रहा हूँ इसमें, right? 32 to the power 1 by 5. Second, under root of pi. Third, एक स्टेटमेंट मैं लिख रहा हूँ, like you have to be carefully say this statement is right or wrong, right? Every surds is an irrational number. Fourth, ये दो में which one is true and false you have to say ना. Every irrational numbers are surds, right? दो definition मैंने यहाँ लिखे हैं, third and fourth. First, is this a surd or not? Right? This is a surds or not? Right? ये चार आपके पास क्वेश्चन है, थिंक कि कौन सा सही होगा, कौन सा गलत होगा. टेक योर टाइम, 2 मिनट के लिए. टेल मी, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Not surd, sir.
Not surd, very good.
Second be not surd, sir.
Very good. Third statement is right or not?
Sir, wrong है.
Every surd is an irrational number, right? Every surds, जो भी surds अभी आपने लिखा है, these all are irrational number or not, right? Completely this. And every irrational number is a surd. ये right है, but ये wrong है, right? कैसे? ये तो पावर आपने वही लगाया ना, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, और वो भी सॉल्व नहीं होने चाहिए. तभी तो आपने बोला कि ये 2 आ रहा है तो ये सर्ड्स नहीं है, राइट? यहीं पर 32 to the power 1 by 7 में कर देता तो बोल देता सर्ड्स है. तो वो इर्रेशनल नंबर तो है ही. लेकिन जैसे कोई नंबर है पाई, पाई एक इर्रेशनल नंबर है, बट वो सर्ड्स नहीं है, क्योंकि सर्ड्स के डेफिनेशन जो हम लोगों ने रखा था वो रखा था a to the power 1 by n, a to the power 1 by n, जहां a मेरा है वो रैशनल नंबर है एंड n मेरे पास है जो वो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर था. इज इट ओके एवरीवन? 4 questions, right? With the definition, right? Next. Second one, क्या था बेटा second one? Root pi. ये definition पे देखा ना? See the definition? Definition says that this a is a rational number. Right, a to the power 1 by n, a must be a rational number, and you are saying pi to the power 1 by 2. So pi is a rational number or irrational number? Pi is a rational number or irrational number?
Irrational number.
Irrational number. So irrational to the power 1 by 2. So this is not a definition of surds. So we are saying the second one is not a surds. This. Okay. Oh, okay. Now, see. Now, comparison of two surds. Comparison of two surds. Right? 2 to the power 1 by 5, 3 to the power 1 by 4. Like if I'm asking कि ये दो नंबर मैंने दे दिए हैं and I'm asking कि कौन सा बड़ा होना चाहिए, right? Very careful ना, ध्यान से सुन, सब लोग सुनना, right? 2 to the power 1 by 5, 5 to the power 1 by 4. Which one is greater? So what you have to do, see, what is the order of first question? 5. What is the order of second question? 4. So take LCM of both the terms. So it's coming as 20, right? Giving 20 power to both the number, it's getting 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 5. So 100% I know that 2 to the power 4 is only 16, 3 to the power 5 तो ऐसे ही 81, like 981 into 3, 243. Right, so obviously 243 greater than this, so we can say this is always greater than this number. Is it okay? Okay, everyone.
Sir, explain करो ना एक बार.
See, this, the number is 2 to the power 1 by 5. Here the number is 3 to the power 1 by 4. Right? We have to compare which one is greater. So what we are just finding first is, what is the order of both the equation surds? Both the surds,
Yes, sir.
5 and 4, right? So take the LCM of 5 and 4, so I'm getting this as 20, right? Giving 20 power to both. So this 5, 4, 4, 5,
Yes, sir.
right? This is only 16, this is 243. So 243 greater than 16. So 3 to the power 5 greater than, so this number greater than this. Is it okay? हाँ, मैं इस पर बेस कुछ क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ, नोट डाउन प्लीज, नोट डाउन फास्ट. Done everyone? Look, ध्यान से ना. First, 2 to the power 1 by 2, 3 to the power 1 by 3, right? Second, 5 to the power 1 by 5, 7 to the power 1 by 7. Third, approximately you have to take the values, not the complete, right? Just you have to see which one is greater in that way. 5 to the power 1 by 4, 3 to the power 1 by 2. Fourth, under root of 15 minus under root of 14, under root of 16 minus under root of 15. Fifth, root 7 minus root 3 and root 5 minus 1. That's it. 5 question. 7 minutes you have for these questions. Now, first question. 2 to the power 1 by 2, 3 to the power 1 by 3. The order is 2 and 3. So LCM is 6. Giving 6 power to both 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2. Obviously, we know that this is 9, this is 8, so this is greater. So 3 to the power 1 by 3 greater than 2 to the power 1 by 2. Similarly, for second one, LCM.
5 to the power 1 by 5 is our answer. बड़ा है.
Very good, very good. Giving power 35. Very good. So we are getting 5 to the power 7 and 7 to the power 5. So what is the value 5 to the power 7 is giving? क्या वैल्यूज आ रही होगी करीब करीब 5 to the power 7 के लिए?
Sir, 5 to the power 7 की वैल्यू है 78125.
78125.
हाँ, और 7 to the power 5 की वैल्यू है 16807.
राइट, तो ऑब्वियसली देखने पर ही पता चल रहा है ना, राइट. एंड अगेन for third one, the LCM is 4, so giving power 4.
3 to the power 1 by 2 is sir.
Very good. 5 and 9. So 9 is greater. So this is greater, but in this case, this is greater. Now, it's coming for fourth and fifth, right? Fourth and fifth. See, यहाँ पर इस तरह की क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना इज सिंपल. थोड़ा सा और टर्मिनोलॉजी को हम लोग जानते हैं तो और अच्छा रहता है, बट चलो यहाँ पर ही मैं ये दो तो सॉल्व करके दिखाता हूँ. What is the meaning of this and how we are doing? Multiply with the conjugate. So this will be 1 upon root 15 plus root 14, 1 upon under root of 16 plus root 15. Is it okay? If I'll multiply this with root 15 plus root 14 and divide with this. A plus B into A minus B, right? We know that formula A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. A square is 15. In this case, A square is 15. B square is 14. So 1. So this is coming as 1. And नीचे में divide हो गया. Same for the second one, right? I guess this is clear to all of you, right? So yes. What we are getting is the number, the simple number 1 upon root 15 plus root 14 and 1 upon root 16 plus root 15, right? So which one is greater, root 15 plus root 14 or root 16 plus root 15?
Sir, 1 upon root 15 plus 1.
Right? So this number is greater, right? Root 16 plus root. तो नीचे अगर नंबर बड़ा है तो डिवीजन के बाद में ऊपर जो नंबर होगा वो छोटा होगा. सो रूट 15 ये वाली नंबर बड़ी होनी चाहिए, मीन्स ये वाली बड़ी होनी चाहिए, मीन्स ये वाली बड़ी होनी चाहिए. निगेटिव सब में तो सेम ही रहेगा. इज इट ओके? क्लियर ना? नाउ ट्राई फिफ्थ वन बाय योर ओन, राइट? सब लोग ट्राई करो, फिर मैं डिस्कस करूंगा.
सर मगर रूट 15 प्लस रूट 14 बड़ा कैसे सर?
वो छोटा है बेटा. रूट 15 प्लस रूट 14 छोटा है, और अगर नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में नंबर छोटा आ रहा है तो 1 अपॉन मैंने अगर किया तो नंबर बड़ा आएगा ना. मान लो एक नंबर लिया 5 और एक नंबर लिया 2, तो 5 से मैं 1 को डिवाइड करूंगा और 2 से 1 को डिवाइड करूंगा, तो कौन सा नंबर बड़ा आएगा, 1/2 वाला या 1/5 वाला? जो नंबर बड़ा होगा वो छोटा कर देगा, जो छोटा होगा वो बड़ा कर देगा।
समझा सर।
ठीक है, ट्राई फिफ्थ वन, एवरीवन ट्राई फिफ्थ वन, इसे नोट करो और फिफ्थ को जल्दी से ट्राई करो। द नेक्स्ट थिंग, operation on surds. Nurmi, very good. Operation on surds. First, addition and subtraction on surds. अब अगर मैंने एक नंबर √2 दिया, एक √5 दिया, तो we can't add or subtract these two numbers, right? ये numbers add subtract नहीं होंगे, but if I'm saying there is 2√7 minus 5 √7 plus 21/2 √7. If each and every irrationality or surds is same in like 3, 4, 5 different ways, like so √7 will be common out, 2 minus 5 plus 21/2. So this is √7 common out, minus 3 plus 21/2, √7 is the common again, minus 6, 15/2. So this is 15/2 √7. Is it okay? First. Second, division or multiplication, right? So if a to the power n into b to the power n, this is given, so you can multiply ab to the power n. In this case, at least one number must be positive. दोनों पॉजिटिव है तो अच्छी बात है, राइट? एक नंबर को पॉजिटिव होना जरूरी होता, राइट? थर्ड, अंडर रूट b with the same case, right? a by b n, again you are getting the same thing, right? So multiplication, division, anywhere you have to apply these operations, right? Note down please, then we'll go further. So now the very important topic on search, that's known as rationalization of surds, right? Rationalization of surds. What is the meaning of this? Like one number is given √2 plus 1. We have to rationalize this, right? So if I'll multiply this by √2 plus 1, just this plus sign I have to take as minus. So if I'm taking this plus, converting this as minus, so this is a plus b, this is a minus b, so this will be a square minus b square is 1, right? Like √3 plus √2, then the rationalizing will be again for this case √3 minus √3, this is 3 minus 2, that is again 1. Not necessarily कि every time you will get 1, कोई और भी नंबर पॉसिबल हो सकते हैं. मीन्स फर्स्ट, अगर मेरे पास गिवन है a plus √b, rationalizing factor क्या होगा वो बताता हूँ. If it is given, second √a plus √b, third √a minus √b, fourth a minus √b. Look, in every case, what you have to take as a rationalizing factor will be a minus √b for first case, second will be √a minus √b, third case √a plus √b, fourth case a plus √b, right? These are the rationalizing factor you have to take with respect to the given numbers. Please note it down carefully. In this, the concept we have done in this portion, this is known as binomial surds, right? Binomial. because two terms were there, right? This is known as binomial surds, right? ये जितने भी cases मैंने लिए, these surds are binomial surds, right? What if we are going for trinomial surds? Trinomial means number of terms would be 3. So next page, if I'm saying like if there are trinomial surds, right? The number given root A plus root B plus root C. So interesting part is you can take any combination, or you can say the rationalizing factor for this will be one of this contain the minus sign, right? One of these three contain the minus sign, but if you are able to count down the numbers, that will be easier for you. What I'm saying, like if I'm giving something like this, root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5, right? I have to multiply with the rationalizing factor of this. So if I'll take root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5, multiply as well as divide, तो divide वाले तो जैसे हैं वैसे ही रहेंगे, right? So the rationalizing factor of this, how this will work, if I'm saying this is A, this is B, or if this is A, this is B. So this is A plus B, and this is A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B will be A square minus B square, carefully, root 2 plus root 3, the whole square minus 5. So this is 2 plus 3 plus 2 root 6 minus 5. 5 cancel out, this is 2 root 6, right? And जो division में था वैसा ही रहेगा, तो this is root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. So if we are able to count the numbers, and maybe with the numbers we can do something. So go with the combination of numbers, like you can cancel out the things as easily as possible. So you will get the numbers accordingly. I guess clear to all? Note down, please. This is for trinomials. Right? Next. Next. Right? Some results, important results, right? Like A plus root B is equal to C plus root D, where A, B, C, D are rational numbers and root B and root D are surds, right? So if this is the condition, so 100% we can say A is equal to C and B is equal to D. A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Means I'm giving x plus root 2 is equals to 5 plus root y. If x and y are surds and root y is surds and x is a rational number, y is a rational number, then what is the value of x and y? So in this case, directly we can compare this with this one, and there it's this one. So x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2 only. Okay. Next. If we have to find under root of, this is very important, right? A plus root B. If we have to find value of under root of A plus root B, then if you are like directly, you can do the things. If A, B and under root of A square minus B all are positive, जितने हैं सब positive numbers हैं. Root under to always a positive number. A and B are positive, right? And under root B is a surds, right? This is a surd. Under root B जो मेरे पास ये आ रहा है. Then directly you can write with the formula. This value will be A plus under root of A square minus B by 2 plus under root of A minus under root of A square B by 2. This is very, very, very important. And if you are able to use this ना, काफी टाइम रिड्यूस भी कर देगा और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस जो कुछ पूछे जाते हैं हमें ना, तो दैट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू कि आराम से सॉल्व कर दे, राइट? अंडर रूट वाले बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने का एक रेडीमेड फॉर्मूला, यू कैन से कि यू हैव द फॉर्मूला ऑन दिस, राइट? मैं करके दिखाता हूँ यूज इसे, पहले नोट डाउन कर लेना इसे, प्लीज नोट डाउन. Like in this case, if I'm giving an example, under root of 8 plus 2 root 15, 8 plus 2 root 15, so this we can write in this form, we can write under root of 8 plus under root of 2, अगर under root के अंदर जाएगा तो this will be 4, so this will be under root of 60. So value of A is nothing but 8, value of B is 60, right? Value of A is 8 and value of B is 16. Now we are applying the formula. This quantity is also equal to A is 8 plus under root of 64 minus 60 by 2 plus under root of 8 minus under root of 64 minus 60 by 2. So 8 plus this will be 4, under root of 4 is 2, so 10 by 2 is the under root, plus 8 minus 2, 6 by 2 is in the under root. So this is coming as root 5 plus root 3. So under root of this is nothing but root 5 plus root 3. अगर आप चाहो तो इसको स्क्वायर करके आप रीचेक भी कर सकते हो. अगर मैं इसे स्क्वायर करता, राइट, तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्या था, a स्क्वायर plus b square plus 2ab, see 8 plus 2 root 15 जो ऊपर था वही आपको मिल रहा है. Is it okay everyone?
सर आपने a को 8 क्यों लिया और b को 60 क्यों लिया?
ये देखो a plus root b given है, right? a is a rational number, under root b is a surds, right? In this case a 8 is a rational number, under root 60 is a surds. तो a को represent कर रहा है 8, B root B को represent कर रहा है 60. So then I can say the value of A is equal to 8 and value of B is equal to 60. Is it okay?
मतलब A हमेशा रेशनल नंबर होना चाहिए और B सर्ड होना चाहिए.
सर्ड होना चाहिए, उसी के लिए ये फॉर्मूला, तो उसी के लिए मैंने लिखा है ना, राइट? ये फॉर्मूला जो लिखा हुआ है वो उसी के लिए लिखा हुआ है ना. Okay, नहीं तो we have to make the equation in that form कि you can write something in that form. दिखाता हूँ, पहले इसे नोट कर लेंगे please. These are the simple question. You can use a formula or otherwise you have to solve this. 3 minutes for maximum 3 minutes to 4 minutes. Try this. Value of A is equals to 5, B is equal to 24. Why 24? When 2 will go inside, so it has to be under root. So we can write this as under root 4. So under root 4 and this into this will be under root of 24. So b is 24, a is 5. In this again, a is equal to 7, b is equal to 48, right? And third case, a is equal to 8, b is equal to 48. In every cases, we have to apply the simple formula, this one. A plus under root of a square minus b, a plus under root of a square minus b by 2 is in the under root plus. ये प्लस और माइनस साइन, यहाँ पर जो साइन है ना, ये यहाँ पर के लिए आई एम यूजिंग प्लस. दिस प्लस और माइनस साइन डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस. अगर यहाँ पर वी आर गिविंग प्लस, सो दिस विल बी प्लस साइन. अगर इस जगह पर माइनस साइन होता तो देयर वुड बी अ माइनस साइन. सो अंडर रूट ऑफ a minus under root of a square minus b by 2. So this is a plus. So a first case plus 1 by 2 plus under root of 5 minus 1 by 2. 6 by 2, 4 by 2, root 3 plus root 2. Similarly, this is 7 plus 1, 8, right, by 2 to root 4 plus root 3. Root 4, we know that this is 2, so 2 plus root 3, right? 6 and 2, so root 6 plus root 2 in this case. I guess everyone getting the right answer? So how to use the surds, how to solve the surds, right? Now, if we are able to solve, or we know that, right? Now, how to go for the questions? What type of question on surds will be there, and how to solve the questions, right? Like under root of 2x minus 1 cube root, right? Cube of 2x minus 1 is equals to 17, right? Solve for x, right? चलो 17 को मैं छोटा नंबर कर देता हूँ, this time 7 only, right? So first is, this is 2x minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 7. By solving this, first what we have to do? So cube both sides. So I'm getting 2x minus 1 is equal to 7 cube. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 343, and 2x is equal to 344. X is equal to 344 by 2. X is 172. Everyone do it fast, fast, fast. Give me a thumbs up or write down yes, or unmute करके yes बोल दो, सभी चलेगा, but do it fast. Okay, Salman. Okay, Aryan. Okay. Fast, 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 fast. Do it now. इसे रब कर दें?
एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Do it fast. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the first type of question, right? Now the second type, and this will be like if I'm giving you x equals to 1 minus root 2. Find value of x minus 1 by x. right? X minus 1 by x whole cube or something, right? So how to go for this? See, x is given and also we have to find 1 by x. So 1 by x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus root 2. Now the role of conjugate will come here, right? The conjugate of this is nothing but 1 minus root 2. So this is 1 plus root 2, 1 plus root 2. So this is 1 plus root 2 upon 1 minus 2, that's minus 1, minus 1 minus root 2. So 1 by x is coming as minus 1 minus root 2. And x was 1 minus root 2. We have to solve for the equation, right? X minus 1 by x. So minus sign I will get there. So this will be plus, this will be plus. Adding both the term, right? So this will be 2 only. Applying cube both side, I'm getting 2 cube. This is equal to 8. Very simple. Okay, note down fast. Done, everyone. Okay, may I rub this? Next. So, and the third type of question you can solve or you can use this as the rationalization of the number, like x is equal to root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. And y is equals to root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. Find value of x square plus y square, right? So first, step 1, what is x? So I can multiply. The rationalization is again very important. Root 3 plus root 2, multiply and divide with root 3 plus root 2. This is root 3 minus root 2. This is root 3 minus root 2, right? So first x we are getting as नीचे जो हमारे पास denominator में है 3 minus 2 will be 1. So this is only 3 plus root 2 the whole square, and a square plus b square plus 2 root 3 into root. So this is coming as 5 plus 2 root 6. Similarly, I can say the y, okay, minus sign is there. So similarly, I can say y will be 5 minus 2 root 6. Note down up to this only. If you want to, like, if you are not understanding or something, please ask. Done. Okay. See. So from this x is this one and y is this one, right? We have to find x square plus y square, and we know that we can rewrite this as x plus y the whole square minus 2xy. So very good, Zami. So what this is coming, this x plus y. So x plus y from these two, x plus y is coming as 10, right? And what is x into y? Initially the question was given the reciprocal to each other. So x into y when multiplied, then it is giving 1. So from this formula, we can say this x plus y is 10 square minus 2 into xy is 1. So this is 100 minus 2 coming as 98. Simple, but the formulas you have to apply the basic formulas. And for that only I'm just going with the questions are all right. You can revise the formula, we can go with this thing, because solving is very, very, very important for your NEET examination or JEE Mains examination and any other examination. Right? Done everyone? Note कर लिए, मैं आगे बढ़ूं? Now, so based on this topic or based on this only, I'm giving you few questions, right? You have to be careful and solve these questions, right? Starting with first one is cube root of 4x minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 0. Second, under root x is equals under root x minus under root 12 is equals to under root 4 minus root x. Third, under root of 15 minus x root 14 is equals to under root 8 minus under root 7. Find possible values of x. Fourth, find a square root of 5 plus 4 root 3. Just a minute. 5 under root of root 50 plus root 40. And the fifth one, fourth root of 124 minus 32 root 15. 5 question, 10 to 12 minute. ये दो क्वेश्चन थोड़े ट्रिकी वन है. So first 3 क्वेश्चन में you have to strike. Fourth and fifth try. अगर हो जाते हैं very good, नहीं होते हैं no worry, right? ये दोनों नए concept पर हैं. But first 3 question you have to be solved, right? Your time start, right? We can transfer this x and 12. So this is 2 root x is equal to root 12 plus root 4. We know that 2 root x is equal to, this is 2, 4 into 3. So 2 root 3 plus 2 dividing by 2. This is root 3 plus 1. Squaring both sides means we are getting the square of this. So the root 3 plus 1 whole square is 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2 root 3. 4 plus 2 root 3. This is the value of x. Okay, everyone. Right? Next. कितने लोग का सही हुआ? जल्दी 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 जल्दी. Do it fast. Sita, very good. And Turmi, good. Next. Ankita, good beta. Next. मैं फिर से solve करूं या clear to everyone? Okay. Now see the third one. Right, for the third question again, squaring both sides. Right, when we square both sides, so I'm getting this is 15 minus x root 14 is equal to a square is 8, b square is 7 minus 2 under root of 8 into 7, 56. This is coming as 15, this is coming as 15, so 15 will be cancelled out, minus cancel out, so x root 14 is equal to 2 root 14 into this, right? So this root 14 will be cancelled out, root 4 is 2, so x is 2 into 2, that is 4. How many of you getting this one right? Done? Note down, please. Very good. Very good. This was good one. Square करके numbers को हटाना was not very simple. Right? Note down, then we'll go for the okay. Now, root 50 plus root 40, all right, under root of this. So first I can write this as root 2 times root 25 plus root 24. Or this is, the question is now, root 25 is 5, 24 is 4 into 6. So 4 under root is 2, root 6. Right? My question is something like this. Right? इसके under root निकालने की बात हो रही है. Under root of this one. First, rewrite this question in this form. Then it will be easier for us to understand the question or crack the question. Done, everyone? So in this case, this is A and B is under root 24. So A is equal to 5, B is equal to 24. Applying the formula, you'll get root 3 plus root 2, the whole square, and root 2 whole. right? And what we required under root of this. So this 2 to the power 1 by 2, again under root of 2 to the power 1 by 4. And this is root 3 plus root 2. Good one. बस जो जितने हमने क्वेश्चंस अभी तक किए ना सबको धीरे 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 कंबाइन करता जा रहा हूँ और कंबाइन करने पर वो फिर क्वेश्चन एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन फ्रेम होने लगता है। जैसे फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन में भी फोर्थ रूट निकालने के पहले वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि पहले मैं केवल और केवल अंडर रूट निकालता हूँ। जब अंडर रूट निकल के जो क्वांटिटी आ जाएगी फिर उसका अंडर रूट निकालूंगा। मतलब वही क्वेश्चन, वही थ्योरी, वही कंसेप्ट मुझे 2 स्टेप्स पे करने हैं, राइट? तो टेक योर टाइम, 3 मिनट का समय देता हूं इसके लिए। ट्राई टू गेट अंडर रूट ऑफ दिस, और जो अंडर रूट आ जाए फिर उसके अंडर रूट लेने हैं, राइट? ट्राई करो, फिर मैं स्टार्ट करता हूं। 3 मिनट फॉर यू, राइट? टेकन 4 is common from this, so I'm getting 32 and under root of 96, right? From this we can see this is 96, 960 and under root of this, right? So from this I can say A is equal to 32 and B is 960. Apply the formula, right? A is 32 plus this A square, 32 square is 1024 and this is 960, right? Very good. Right? 64. The 64 is 8 by 2 is in the under root, minus under root of 32 minus 8 by 2. So from this I'm getting 40 by 2 is under root 20 minus 32 minus 8 will be under root of 12. ये मेरे को आया और 4 एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन में था तो वो 4 को भी मैंने साथ में रख लिया। तो दिस आई एम गेटिंग फ्रॉम दिस। एक बार केवल अंडर रूट निकालना हूँ, एक बार फिर इसके अंडर रूट निकालने हैं। अभी देखता हूँ उस पे कैसे यूज हो सकते हैं, क्या यूज होगा, राइट? फ्रॉम दिस अंडर रूट 20 इज 5 into 4, अंडर रूट 12 इज 4 into 3, राइट? तो दोनों में 4 कॉमन, तो अंडर रूट 4 इज 2 कॉमन आ रहे हैं। मैं नीचे यहाँ रब कर लेता हूँ, तो मेरे पास दोनों से ही एक 2 कॉमन आ रहे हैं। So what we can say, right? My question was, right? ये जो क्वेश्चन मेरे पास गिवन था, दिस इज माइनस साइन। मैं इसी के लिए ये पूरा का पूरा, ये माइनस साइन है, सो दिस विल बी इनटू द माइनस साइन, राइट? दिस विल बी इनटू द माइनस साइन, सो आई एम गेटिंग दिस थिंग, राइट? अब इसके आगे व्हाट? So root 20 and root 12, both the case root 4 is common, right? So I can write 4 into 2, 8 times 25 minus 12, 3. Five into 4, right? One time you're taking this as.
सर
हाँ,
सर वो 4 कहाँ से आया? 4 into root 20 minus root 12।
ये पहले से ही कॉमन निकाला था ना बेटा?
हाँ सर, समझ आया समझ आया।
तो एंड 2 मेरे पास पहले से क्वांटिटी थी दोनों की, राइट? So we are getting this thing. Okay, clear everyone? Note down please, note down fast. You can rewrite this as 64 plus 60 minus 2 into under root of 64 into 60, or we can take under root common out, right? So this is coming as 64 Yes, I'm giving you it. Under root 64 minus under root 60 the whole square, right? So under root of this will be nothing but you are getting 64 under root minus 60 under root. Now we have to solve this, right? So I'm writing this as 8 minus 2 root 15, right? And then again 8 minus 2, either you can use the formula or directly you can see 5 plus 3 minus 2 root 5 into root 3. This you can write, means this is root 5 minus root 3 the whole square. So again the under root of this, so under root of this we are getting as root 5 minus root 3. So applying this formula twice, you are getting exactly the value on this part, right? Okay, everyone. Note down, please. Homework, right? मैंने एक शीट भेजी हुई है, right? उसमें है basic practice, right? You have to complete this.